To remove and install the visor and sunshield on a Polaris modular helmet, follow these steps. To remove the outer shield, start by opening the visor fully. Then, pull the latch downwards and lift the visor outwards to release the lock tab from the latch. Move over to the other side of the helmet and release the lock tab. Pull the visor out and remove from the helmet. To remove the inner sunshield, start by lowering the inner sunshield fully. Press the tabs on each side of the sunshield to release the shield from the inner brackets. Pull the sunshield out and remove from the helmet. To install the inner sunshield, start by inserting one tab into the inner bracket until there is an audible click. Move to the other side of the shield and insert the tab on the inner bracket. Verify proper operation of the sunshield by operating the tab on the side of the helmet. To install a new outer shield, insert the visor tab into the upper circular notch and press the lower tab into the latch until the shield locks into place with an audible click. Move over to the other side of the helmet and secure the upper circular notch and lower tab. After completing, verify proper operation of the visor. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.